And a sobering update today, the Omicron variant found in Kent County. State health officials held a news conference this morning addressing concerns.
But they went even further, painting a very concerning picture about the status of COVID-19 across the state. They said right now, 21.5% of hospital beds are occupied by COVID patients. That is the highest level since the pandemic began. They also said the death rate during this surge is higher, with an average 87 people dying from COVID each day last week.
And here's something we have not heard before. People without COVID-19 are dying in the hospital at a higher rate during the surge as well. Officials say that's because hospitals are overwhelmed and staff is stretched thin, making them unable to provide the level of care they could before.
And the first case of the Omicron variant has been confirmed here in Kent County, but officials say this means this variant has been here for some time and is likely spreading to other counties as well. 13
Side's Ottawa County reporter Keely Lovern spoke with local health officials about what to expect as this new variant starts to spread. Keely.
Good evening, you guys. Now, even though the Omicron variant has only been detected in one person here in Kent County, health leaders tell me today they're pretty confident that even more people are carrying it and that numbers will start to rise as more tests are reviewed.
The Omicron variant has officially made its way to Michigan.
An individual in Kent County was detected from a specimen taken on December 1st.
State and local health officials say they can't say where the variant was contracted, but they can confirm that the person had not traveled internationally and had been fully vaccinated without a booster.
We can't share specifics about that individual, but I can tell you that it was a mild illness.
While early reports show this variant displays more mild symptoms and is less severe, it does appear to be more contagious. But health officials say it's really different for everybody.
That it has a lot more mutations than what the Delta variant had. And so when you have a variant like this, that is much more infectious, it's more contagious.
And our health officials are confident that the case in Kent County isn't the only one, or possibly even the first.
There are many people who may have it that have not been detected because we are not testing every sample that gets tested.
From our perspective at the Ottawa County Department of Public Health, we assume that Omicron is already in our community.
In Holland, Mansoray says that Hope College's wastewater sampling program might also be an early indication of the Omicron variant's presence in Ottawa County.
And they detected a change in the pattern of the virus that they were monitoring on December 2. So it suddenly was different than what they had been watching throughout the last few months. That gave us a clue that it was just a matter of time until a clinical sample was validated.
Health officials say they still don't know too much about the Omicron variant, but they know that it's here and the best way to stay protected is to get vaccinated.
But we don't have to wait for perfect information to take action.
Now, standard COVID-19 tests don't detect Omicron, and local health officials say they are sending some of their positive tests to the state labs to check for that new variant.